Welcome back to another episode of Glen's Kickin Kitchen, where I not only show you how, but why food is fuel. And on today's episode, we're gonna be making our vegan lasagna. I know a lot of you all right now are, facing or experiencing different things during this coronavirus or this COVID-19 period. And I know one of the areas that's being affected by this now is the meat industry. And so with that, I'm going to show you all today how you can make a lasagna, meatless lasagna that is, and you don't have to miss out on the great flavor, texture, and that just savory bite that everyone's looking for. So some of the components of our vegan lasagna will include the giant oyster mushroom, just to give us some type of texture, some of that meaty texture that a lot of us look for when we take a bite of lasagna. So we're gonna utilize the oyster mushroom. I might have some tomato sauce here. We're gonna mix that with our tomato basil sauce that we picked up. Whenever you're making a lasagna, you always wanna make sure you have a great sauce. Of course, you can make your own at home, but if you go out and buy one in the store, make sure it's a nice quality one. We're gonna utilize hummus and cashews as our cheese in a sense. I'm gonna show you how that's gonna work. Like a lasagna usually has a layer of ricotta or multiple layers of ricotta. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make that happen. I'm also using baby spinach in there to get some greens. And then we're using our pasta is an oven-ready lasagna pasta. You can find these in most grocery stores. The reason that we want to use the oven-ready versus the type that you have to boil is because there's going to be like a lot of liquid in the dish, and that would just add to there being more liquid, and we don't want a watery like lasagna or pasta. So we're going to go with the oven-ready. That way we can skip the whole boiling step, and that allows there to be less water in the meal.